Tom's pays a premium to Source Trust for each bag of cocoa the company buys. These premiums fund projects that work directly with those farmers who grow the traceable cocoa. Our goal is to pave the way for long-term sustainable cocoa production and to create a direct relationship to the farmers.
Each bag of cocoa that arrives to Tom's is traceable back to the society in which the cocoa was produced. In other words, we know exactly where the cocoa comes from. Every single bag is drop marked with a code of traceability. Every society contains 1 or 2 villages. We know the farmers in each society, so in other words, we know the farmers who have produced cocoa for Tom's.
In each village there is a purchasing clerk, a so-called PC, who manages buying the cocoa from the farmer and ensures traceability from the village.
Yes, so the PC actually means purchasing clerk. The PC is the person who handles the cocoa at the society level on behalf of the company. So he has weighed the parcel the farmers brought, and he's now coming to take the records. So he records it for the farmers, the weight, and then based on that, he pays them the amount for that particular weight of cocoa. Now the details he will enter are very basic but very necessary. So he's simply going to enter the day the farmer brought it, the kilos, that's the weight the farmer brought, and then the amount that he is paying. Now after entering it in his books, he will go ahead to enter the same amount in the farmer's passbook. And then the transaction is complete.
In addition to traceability, we want to improve our knowledge on farmers and their farming practices to be able to support them. Through a farm mapping system with GPS technology, Source Trust is able to accurately assess the acreage of each cocoa farm and collect farming data. Most farmers do not know the exact acreage of their farms, but that knowledge, combined with the number of trees on the farms, will enable the farmers to optimize application of fertilizers and pest control products. Thereby, cocoa production and revenue will be improved.
Because I don't know the boundaries of the farm, I come with the farmer and the farmer take me through the boundaries, and I have to let her show me where we will start from, that's the starting waypoint. So the farmer will lead whilst I take off my GPS, and when I start marking my waypoint for every 5 steps to get a clear shape and a clear understanding of the activities I have to mark. And particularly, I have to take note of a turning point. For each turning point, I have to mark, and so I arrive at my final point. All this while the farmer is in lead, and she is taking me through the boundaries.
The accurate data that the mapping system will provide will also enable us to pinpoint specific needs of farmers in our districts, take action and monitor progress.
I enter with a measurable distance.